Hi lovelies, in this video I'm going to show you how to share a pin on Pinterest with your friends. In this video I will be sharing a Pinterest from my Travel with Lady Pinterest account to my Lady Mora stationery Pinterest account. So I started a blog very recently for travel, and as you can see my Pinterest is very bare, but I am working on that because everything is so new for this business. But I want to show you how you can share your pins with your friends. So we're going to click on a pin. This doesn't have to be just a pin that you've pinned. It can be any other pin, but we're just going to use the one that I've pinned for the purposes of this video. And this is the article I wrote on 5 types of cruise outfits, where I outline the different types of outfits that I've worn on a cruise ship. And we'll click send. So you have 2 options. You can send it to a friend through text message, Facebook Messenger. You can click this more button and get more options to go through. And that is definitely one option. I have a bunch of different, you can put it on IGTV, you can put it on LinkedIn, you can put it on Marco Polo. I've never tried to do it this way. You can add it to a card in Trello, which I think is just amazing, especially if you love to use Trello. So there's a bunch of different options to use here. I'm going to go back, click send again, and this time I'm going to send it to my Lady Mora planner sticker video. My Lady Mora Pinterest account for planner stickers. You can type in the name of the person if you know their name. I'm just going to click send, and you can see it says sent. I have signed into my other Pinterest account that we sent the pin to, so you can see what it looks like on the receiver's end. And in the top right you see the number 1. I'm going to click on that, and it says Travel with Lady sent you a pin. Yay! So here's the pin that I sent to me, and as you can see, here's the email that I received from Pinterest. I'm going to hit show images. It says Travel with Lady says, and it shows you the pin, and then it says explore related ideas. So that's cool because they also get an email you can write back to the person who sent you the pin in this message. And it's just really cool way to, it's just really cool. You can send a little heart to kind of tell them thank you. Different ways to interact on Pinterest. If this is the first video you're watching in our 30 Days of Pinterest series, make sure to click the playlist on the screen that you see here or in the description box below so that you can get all the basics of Pinterest down so you can move on to awesome things. Super excited to see you grow.